A new day, a new project. Look what a wonderful weather finally. It feels like beginning of the summer, hopefully. Look what I got here. One of these toy cars, you know, remote controlled. This is Traxxas. I've been replacing the springs and new dampers. I thought everything will be just fine, but look here. Another really big problem. These arms are broken, and that keeps the wheel in place. I can't find replacement for now, and I don't have any 3D printer around in the area, so I'll try to fix it somehow. Let's take the top off and see if I can dismantle these arms. Okay, so I dismantled the front springs and dampers, but as I can see, these arms here are similar with the back ones, exactly the same parts. So I will change this with this, because the front is much prone to get broke or something. So for now I'm trying to dismantle this part here, the front part, and to take these arms away. Then I see how to dismantle these ones, but I think it's very simple. I have these two screws and just get the axle away, and then I have the wheels out. So the dampers are out. Let's see how we can take this. Okay, we just have a screw over here. There we go. And here we have the axle. Nice, very nice. That's it. Well, I think I have to take off the wheels too. So this is a 7mm here. See, 7mm. I don't know how is that in Imperial. Okay. So now I have to take this out from here. Yeah, I have another one here. Okay, different. And this is the arm. You see the broken one. I'm gonna try to have a kind of U shape. You know, this one got destroyed because of the friction. Let's store it around. This is gone. And there we are. Both the broken ones. Okay, this one is still okay. But like I said before, I'm gonna try to replace this with the back ones. Get the wheels out. Okay, let me have this wheel also. These are the back arms. Let's see. They are absolutely identical. can have it here. Yep. Okay, so the front wheels are fixed, back in place, everything is looking perfect over here. You can see the arms are okay, and all I have to do now is to put the wheels back and this is ready to go. But I have to find a solution how to fix this. I don't know how to call it, ears maybe. But you see something, I think I'm gonna use a simpler approach. I'm gonna have a hole right here and have a piece of wire all around. I don't know if wire or plastic, but I think it's gonna be some iron wire. So let me see if I can find a smaller drill. Okay, I got something here. Okay, so then I can have a hole right here. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, no, this is good. I don't need it. So these are ruined. No, this is still okay, but I reinforce this also. Yep. And this one, it's a mess. And to be sure that the fix will be okay, I'm gonna have a kind of leading way here. Something like this. That will keep the wire in a certain position. So this is the piece of wire. It's already done. It's solid enough, and that will fix the problem. For now, at least. You may say maybe it's a very primitive way to fix the things, but you know, the most important thing is the result, not how you do it or reach it. Okay. That's why I had that shape, that channel, I can call it, to keep the wire in a certain position. Yeah, it's more than enough. Yes, I think we are done. This should last forever. And the last one, this one is good here. You see, there is no problem. Yeah, it's a little bit tight, but it will be soon very flexible because, okay, I can do something else over here, so I can have a little bit of extra place. Like this. And like this. Yeah, should be okay. The back wheels ensemble is much easier to be fixed, not so complicated. Okay, and now I have the springs and the damper, and we are good to go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. This screw is going also through the plastic, so that's why it didn't fit. Now we should have a perfect match. Absolutely perfect. Magic, everything is done and it's working properly. Let's have a quick test. Haha. Oops. It's damn fast, isn't that? It's so fast. So the car got fixed. Everything is nice and back in place. That's all for today. See you soon with some other projects. Don't forget to have fun and be safe. Bye bye.